We are going to take a moment right now and focus on this prayer box that you see in front of me that Renny talked about. In that box is us. It's our heart, the hearts of our loved ones, the troubles, the passions, perhaps the fears that we face as part of this life. They're in that box. We're going to honor that box. We are going to breathe in the good that surrounds that box, and we're going to breathe out a gift of love on each little slip of paper. Pray with me over that prayer box, if you will. Eternal Spirit, eternal light, you who are Mother and Father to all of us, help us to know in the deepest part of our hearts that we are all your children, that we are all truly one. Let us know that each pain or heartache shared is healed together. Let us know that each joyful laugh and playful moment is magnified when it is experienced together. Let us know that each prayer request is heard and held in the heart of the divine, as we truly are joined into one great family. As we focus on the unity of this congregation, our hearts are full of a pure purpose, and we know that our light and our joy together extends beyond these walls as a beacon of love, drawing to us those who also seek unity. Amen. And I invite you just to maintain this spirit of relaxation as we do our morning meditation and get settled in. So find your most comfortable seated position, adjusting yourself as necessary. Allow your spine to be upright but relaxed. Rest your hands in your lap and either close your eyes if that feels right, or soften your gaze on something in front of you. And I invite you now to take 3 deep, slow breaths. Inhaling through the nose, stopping briefly at the top of the breath, and exhaling through the mouth. Feel the weight of your body in the pew, your feet on the floor, and that feeling of being fully supported. And now I invite you to bring awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tension. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension that might be lingering in your shoulders. And then let those shoulders gently drop away from your ears. Take time to soften your jaw. Allow your forehead to release the wrinkles, as well as the muscles around your eyes. Allow your breathing to return to its natural, unforced rhythm, in and out. In and out. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly. The rise and fall of your belly, or the cool air you feel in your nostrils on the in-breath. And if your mind wanders, gently acknowledge the thought and then return your focus to your breath. With each inhale, imagine filling your body with calm, rejuvenating energy. And with each exhale, let go. Let go of any remaining stress or tightness. As you sit, remind yourself gently that there is nothing to do, nothing to fix. Your opportunity to just be present in this moment. And now I invite you to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. The sounds in the room and the feeling of the pew beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and then slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day.